Transform your web development projects with the power of AI by building a cutting-edge tool website powered by Deepseek. We're diving deep into integrating Deepseek's powerful API to inject intelligent functionalities into your web applications, making them more intuitive and valuable for your users. First, let's focus on the user interface. Think about what iPod tools your website will offer. Will it be content generation, image editing, data analysis, or something entirely unique? Design a clean, user-friendly interface that clearly guides users to these AI features. Next, the backend implementation is crucial. This is where you'll connect your website to the Deepseek API. You'll need to set up your server to handle user requests. Send them to the Deepseek API for processing, and then receive and display the AI-generated results back to the user. Consider the user experience. How can AI enhance it? Dynamic content suggestions, personalized recommendations, and automated task completion are just a few ways Deepseek can elevate your website's appeal and utility, fostering greater engagement. To ensure a smooth experience, optimize your website's performance. This involves efficient handling of data between your site and the API, implementing caching strategies where appropriate, and ensuring a responsive design that works across all devices. By strategically integrating Deepseek, you're not just building a website, you're creating intelligent tools that solve problems and delight users, setting your project apart in the digital landscape. Let's get started.